Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already added your Gmail, so start immediately. Open Settings and go to Accounts, tap Google, and select the account you want to use. Once selected, make sure Contacts Sync toggle is visible. If it's off, enable it now. This initiates the local to cloud link. Also check that your Realme Contacts app uses Google as the default save location by creating a quick test contact. This prevents duplicates and ensures future contacts flow into Gmail. Once done enabling Contacts Sync, tap the three dots or menu and choose Sync Now to force immediate transfer. Then open the Contacts app and use the Accounts filter to display only Google contacts so you can verify what's synced. If some entries are missing, check Contacts Storage settings and merge duplicates. Merge as needed. Make sure sync runs fully by watching the last synced timestamp in account settings. If it updates, your contacts are safely in Gmail. To finalize, confirm contacts appear at Contacts. Google.com using a browser. This proves the sync completed. If something goes wrong, clear the Contacts app cache from Settings Apps Contacts, then retry syncing. If that fails, remove and re-add the Google account and ensure Google Play services and system updates are current. A key troubleshooting tip: if sync still fails, toggle airplane mode on then off and run Sync Now again. This often resolves transient network or account token issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.